Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your Motorola Edge 70. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in these settings. So open up the settings and here go over to the sound and vibration. Now here you will have a volume section. And as you guys can see, here's the media volume, which we're more interested in than any other volume here. Also the call volume, you guys can boost them up all the way to the right. Now this way, after we have boosted it up to the max, what we can do is we can clean our speaker grills. So for an example, here we have one. Now, if we want to clean it, I'd recommend using a soft brush for an example, or an air compressor, even though I feel like the soft brush will do a better job. So now, after that, what you guys can do is disable the Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not being rerouted anywhere else. So, go over to Connected Devices, go to Connection Preferences, and select Bluetooth. Now, as you guys can see, if it's green, for me it's green. Now, if it's gray, then that means it's turned off. And I'd recommend turning it off to make sure that your headphones, speaker, or even a car is not connected to the phone. So, what you guys can do after that, as a last resort, is update your software. So go to the main page right here and scroll down until you see System Updates. Now, click Check for Updates. The updates will check automatically. As you guys can see, everything looks good. I am using the latest software, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest updates so you guys don't have old glitches, and it can also fix a lot of glitches, including your speaker not working properly. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.